Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss the process of salary increment in TCS for freshers and for experienced. And here the important question is it different for both freshers and experienced or is it the same? So guys, this process is slightly different for both freshers and experienced. We shall try to understand all these differences in this video and we shall also discuss increment process start time. First of all, for experienced candidates and all the employees of TCS having experience more than 1 year are considered in this category. So for A bands, all experienced candidate will get 8 to 12% increment if they are getting A bands, and this increment will be on CTC only, not on your basic pay. And for B band, increment will be 6 to 10%, and for C band, increment will be just 4 to 8%. And now increment effective date. Increment effective date will never depend on the date of release of your band. It will also not depend on the date on which you are getting your compensation letter. It will be decided only by TCS from which date your increment will be effective. In general conditions, increment effective date is 1st of April every year. But due to certain reasons, it may change also. As in 2020, due to COVID-19, effective date of increment was not 1st of April 2020. And now, process to be followed. So for all experienced employees, appraisal month is March every year. And the process start with goal sheet filling. And goal sheet filling process start in month of February. And you don't have to panic about that. Your manager will definitely communicate about goal sheet filling when it has to be filled. Once you fill the goal sheet, it will be submitted to your manager. And after that, your manager will release IPF. That is individual performance factor. And it is out of 5 and it may be 4.3, 4.6, 3.9, 3.1, anything it may be. Generally, if you are getting IPF in between 3.8 to 4.4, then your rating may be 4. If you are getting IPF from 3.5 to 4.4, then you may get B band. And if you are getting IPF above 4.5, then you may get A band. And if you are getting IPF less than 3.5, then you may get C band. But this is not mandatory. It will purely depend on your manager. He or she may convert 4.4 to A band or 3.9 to C band. Anything he or she may do. But this will be exceptional case. Generally, if your IPF is in between 3.7 to 4.4, then you will get B band. If it is more than 4.5, then you will get A band. But it totally depends on manager. Now, objection to IPF. Once your IPF is released, you have to check it. And if you are satisfied with that, you have to agree with that. And if you are not satisfied with your IPF score, then you may raise objection also. And after that, your band will be released. However, it generally takes a lot of time. And according to your band, you may have a rough idea about your increment amount, how much increment you are going to get. And after that, your compensation letter will be released. You will be able to check your compensation letter via TCS mail. In compensation letter, everything will be clearly explained. Increment in your salary, increment in your basic pay, increment in your PF, and new facilities that you are going to get, and everything. And generally, most of the candidates just check the amount that they are going to get in upcoming month, and no one reads the compensation letter. I would suggest all of you to read the compensation letter thoroughly. And after that, your incremented salary will be credited in your account. And here you should note, your incremented salary will be credited to your account only after the release of compensation letter. If you have just received your band and not the compensation letter, you will not receive the incremented salary. You will receive incremented salary only after the release of compensation letter. And now for freshers. So for 5 rating, there will be increment of about 35 to 50,000 in your CTC. And this is the first difference, that here you are not getting A band or B band. Here you are getting 5 rating or 4 rating. For 4 rating, there will be increment of 30 to 40,000 in your CTC, and for 3 rating, there will be increment of 20 to 30,000 in your CTC. Generally, for 5 rating, there is increment of 50,000 in your CTC, and for 4 rating, there is increment of 40,000, and for 3 rating, there is increment of 30,000 in your CTC. But last year, due to COVID-19, there was increment of just about 35,000 for 5 rating. For 4 rating, there was increment of 30,000, and for 3 rating, there was increment something between 20 to 30,000. I guess it was 25,000 in CTC. And now the important thing, increment effective date. Your increment effective date will be the date on which you had joined the TCS. If you had joined the TCS on 26th of August, then your increment effective date will be 26th of August. Now process to be followed. Appraisal month is the month of joining, not the month of March. For freshers, appraisal month will be in which he or she had joined the TCS. And now goal sheet filling. This process is same for freshers. But this process does not start in the month of February for freshers. This process starts 1 month earlier What does it mean? It means 1 month earlier than the month of joining. Let us suppose you had joined the TCS in the month of July, then the process of goal sheet filling will start in the month of June if you had joined TCS in the month of July. And after that, your goal sheet will be submitted to your manager. And after that, your IPF will be released by your manager. And if you are satisfied with your IPF score, then you can submit it. You may also raise objection to IPF if you are not satisfied with your IPF score. Rating release. For fresher, there will not be band release. Here will be rating release. And you will get rating out of 5. It may be 5, 4, 3. And after that, your compensation letter will be released. And your incremented salary will credit to your account only after the release of your compensation letter. Now for freshers, BCA graduates. So salary increment process for BCA graduates in TCS is very different. So I shall make a different video for that. So to watch that video, please subscribe this channel. So guys, thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe this channel IT India.